Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ardo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now remember complaining to your mother when she made you wash your face every day? Turns out mom was right. Regular cleaning of your face is vital in maintaining a healthy looking and feeling skin. It helps in removing the buildup of oil, dirt, and other impurities. It also hydrates your skin as it maintains the pH level of your skin, allowing sufficient water and product retention. It also makes your skin look cleaner because regular cleaning of your face clears the pores of debris to prevent dirt buildup. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one such face wash which is my current favorite, and this not only cleanses your face but also removes the impurities from your face. And the product that I'll be talking about today is Blossom Couture Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile Face Wash. So please continue to watch the entire video because I'm going to talk about this product in brief. I'm going to talk about its ingredients. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of the product. I'm also going to show you how your skin is going to feel after using this product. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Blossom Couture Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile Face Wash comes in a cardboard packaging like this with floral imprints all around. This is a really beautiful cardboard packaging. This product is priced at rupees 185. The net quantity of this product is 100 ml and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. This product is not tested on animals. This is 100% plant-derived product. The packaging is recycled packaging and the essential oils in it leave no toxins behind. The ingredients of the product is very clearly mentioned on the outer packaging. Now let us go to the inner packaging of the product. Now if you look at the inner packaging, it comes in a mint color transparent tube with a flip top to disperse the product. The pack is really travel friendly as it opens and closes with a click. Now let us see what this product claims. I deep clean your pores with white tea and soy milk extract and exfoliating microbeads. I prevent aging and protect skin from free radicals. The chamomile essential oil soothes and calms, leaving you fresh and relaxed. I am not made of harmful chemicals, paraben, alcohol, artificial fragrance, and color. Now let us see how the product looks like. If I show you, the product has a mint color and not very runny texture. It also has few beads in it, if you can see the beads, and it is so soothing. It smells heavenly, very natural and authentic. But it does not stay long, but certainly adds to the luxurious face washing experience. Now let us see the application of this face wash and how my face looks after cleansing my face with this face wash. But let me tell you, before applying any face wash, if you're wearing a makeup, try and remove the makeup with a good micellar water and then cleanse your face with a face wash. I've already removed the makeup and I have moistened my face, and after that I'll be using just a little bit of this product. This much is enough for your entire face, and then rub it all over your face. They have granules, but I don't think that is very harsh. It's very soft granules, as if it melts into your skin. But trust me, it did take away any whiteheads that I have on my face. Just gently massage all over your face. Lathers really well. And I cannot get over the smell, the beautiful smell that it has. Just a little bit of this product is enough for your entire face to clean it from all the dirt and impurities that is accumulated on the surface of your skin, and it deep cleanses as well. And regarding the exfoliation part, really too soft, but it did take away my whiteheads at the very first wash. Now I'm just going to wash my face and come back, and I'm going to show you how it feels up close and personal. Now I already cleansed my face and I have also patted dry. If you can see it closely, it has really given a nice and desired cleanse that everyone wishes from a product. I really love the experience. So after this cleansing, you can follow up with the moisturizer that you like. Since it is night time, I prefer Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Vitamin E Night Cream. In case you have missed the review, I have already made a review on this. I'll leave the link in the description box as well. Now follow up with this vitamin E cream or any cream that you prefer. I literally love my skin. My skin doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel, as if stretched. It doesn't strip off the, moisture from my skin. And I absolutely love this face wash. After washing my face and using this face wash for about 2 weeks, I'll come straight to the point. I literally love this product. It's my favorite face wash currently. Its fragrance, its consistency, and after effects are wonderful. It helped me with my whiteheads, and after every wash, my face felt much cleaner and fresh than ever. It cleanses deeply, it doesn't dry out your skin, and that's why probably it is meant for all skin types. Now let us talk about the pros of this product. Now this product does not have any harmful chemicals. It does not have parabens, artificial coloring, or fragrance to it, and it is 100% natural. This contains white tea and chamomile that literally refreshes your skin. It provides anti-aging properties to your skin in the long run, really cleanses your skin of oil, dirt, and pollution. It dissolves 90% of the whiteheads and the blackheads from the very first wash. It also gives you a nice defense against pollution. It does not dry out your skin, and it is really suitable for all skin types. It has a wonderful packaging. It is economical, it is affordable and easily available, and it has a beautiful fragrance. Now let us talk about the cons. I do not have anything bad to say about this product. This product is my current favorite, and I think I'm going to use it as long as I find any other product that actually gives me everything that I need from one particular product. It is definitely a must-have if you have a problematic skin. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I've listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.